Trae un flag, pues, Polito. Oh, Mr. Robert. No, tú. Mr. Robert.
Ah, esta está.
No, hay que tomarlo en cuenta, como que. Está nuestro manager, ¿verdad?
O el tornillo del sur, o el tornillo del norte. Exactamente en el vidrio y todo acá. ¡Ay, a verga!
It's a blog way. That's the man Ballman right there. See that white shirt? It's gonna be a good day.
It's
gonna be a good day. He got a white shirt on.
That's right.
That boy Diego. See that going on today, Diego?
Fucking with them heavy ass tires. Hey, them hoes so heavy, dog. Them muscle right here. my little rabbit, that bitch hurts, dog.
Suffering is what I'm feeling inside. It's been an emptiness since my daddy died. As I sit in this room alone, I think to myself, wondering how I'ma die. A bullet accident or health. I was born to die, no lie. It's a message in disguise, cause after all that shit will catch you by surprise. Forgive me, Father, all the wrong I've done.